My project is this toy. The underlying principle is central to everything. Now I will read you why this toy does what it does. It has a hypothetical point within an object where the entire weight of that object can be considered. It has great significance in a life for stability of objects. Used by engineers for design and most importantly, posture and balance. Do you want to try it?
I will give you a brief information about stomata. Stomata are small openings in the epidermis of plant leaves, stem and other parts. They are surrounded by specialized guard cells that control the opening and closing of the pore. Structure of stomata. A typical stomata consists of two kidney-shaped guard cells.
Good morning, sir. Our project is of automatic street light. An automatic street light uses LDR to sense ambient light levels, turning the light on when it's dark and off in daytime. Now my friend Shreyas will tell you about how the circuit works.
When the car will pass from the LDR, so the LDR will send message to the BC converter resistor. Then resistor will allow the light to glow up. Now,
Morning everyone, our project name is seed germination. The growing of a baby plant from a seed is called seed germination. A seed gets water, air and warmth.
part of a plant. The part within the soil is called root. Root holds the plant in the soil. The upper part is called shoot. A shoot has a stem, bud, leaf, and flowers. The stem holds the plant. Flower dries up to become fruit. Fruit has seed in them. Leaves make food for plant. Birds grow into flowers. Thank you. It always shares
Second class का वीडियो था।
See the demo.
Induction, which transfers electricity wirelessly. You can see it's a DC battery which gives electricity to the transistor. Transistor converts DC electricity to DC electricity to flow in air. When we switch on the button, it will wirelessly transfer electricity to the bulb. ये हमारा सिस्टम है फायर सेफ्टी सिस्टम जो ये बायोमेट्रिक स्ट्रिप से बना हुआ है। जब हम इसे हीट करते हैं तो बैंड हो जाता है, जिससे सर्किट कंप्लीट हो जाता है। अंदर एक मोटर है नोवल की जो बाहर पानी पंप कर देती है। इसे आप घर पे भी लगा सकते हो, जैसे आग लगे तो पानी पंप करके सब बुझा देगा। ये है लाइट सेंसर सिस्टम जो कि लाइट से जैसे ये लाइट सेंसर सिस्टम जैसे इसमें डार्कनेस होती है बजने लग जाता है। इस बजर की जगह हम लाइट भी लगा सकते हैं, जैसे स्ट्रीट लाइट होता है, रात होते ही लाइट ऑन हो जाती है और सुबह होते ही बंद हो जाती है, उस बेस पे।
ये ग्रेविटी बैटरी है, लाइक जब इसे हम नीचे फेंकते हैं तो इससे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट होती है। इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट होती है तो पंखा चल रहा है, एक मोटर स्टार्ट हो जाती है।
हाइड्रोलिक सिस्टम है। अभी इसको खींचेगी तो वापस नीचे आना चाहिए। आया नहीं, छोड़ते ही साथ वापस आएगा। हाइड्रोलिक सिस्टम है।
It shows that magnets have an invisible force called a magnetic field. Thank you. Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. Today we are going to show a simple experiment that demonstrates that
तेरी क्लास के बच्चे कहाँ हैं?
ये है
18 जाना पड़ेगा नहीं, 1 बजे तक आएगा।
लेडीज होती है ना।
बंदा हंसने लग गया, मैं चुप हूँ, बंदा हंसने लग गया। मैं हानि खिला दूँगा, सामने बोल दूँ मैं मेरा
सेम नाइट्रोजन ऑक्सीजन के साथ रिएक्ट करके नाइट्रोजन ऑक्साइड बनाता है। फिर उसके बाद नाइट्रोजन ऑक्साइड अगेन ऑक्सीजन के साथ रिएक्ट करके ऑक्सीजन डाइऑक्साइड
And when we turn on this switch, you can see the formation of bubble particles here. So the bubble particles that form at the cathode are of hydrogen gas, and the bubble particles which form at the oxygen at this anode.
Explain. This was given by the Neil Bohr, a scientist. He finalized this model. He introduced the planetary model. This is also called as a planetary model. It resembles with the solar system. Take nucleus as the sun and orbits and electrons as the planets. He stated that they revolve around the sun. But he did not state what will happen if the planet will jump into the nucleus or the sun. It will create a destruction. So he stated that every orbit have the fixed energy. They cannot jump into it. So this was a final. They have the fixed energy. They cannot move here and there. The tall part. So it is quite a green color. It is not exactly good because the pH of our skin is 5.5 and the basic nature of this is. Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, we are here to remove the stains of certain conductors. Good morning, ma'am. There are 2 cases in this model explains how to put the 2 ends in the copper wire so the bulb goes, but in between this is made up of plastic so the bulb remain on.